Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel AI Learning Solutions. This is Shalini. In this video, we are going to see how to add images in Power BI reports.
So let's see a quick demo here. What I have done exactly here, it's a sample report which I'm showcasing to you.
Mhm.
So I've created a simple report where I am listing some employee IDs. Okay.
Mhm.
And for
Mhm.
those employee IDs, I'm showing the name and their respective images. That is my
Mhm.
requirement. Okay. Now, how I have achieved, yeah. So how I have achieved, let me just quickly show you a small demo. For that, I have guided you already with this sample data. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, where I have maintained employee ID, I have maintained the name of the employees. Whatever additional details I wanted to maintain, I'm maintaining it here. As well as I'm maintaining the image URLs. Now, when you are talking about these image URLs should be accessible anonymously. What I
Mhm.
mean, it should not have any permissions requirement to access the image, or it should not be accessible in that manner that somebody has to sign in and then only they will be able to see the images.
Mhm.
Okay. So there are two options where we can have the images which should be accessible in the Power BI Extra. One, your OneDrive personal, and you need to find out the embedded code. Okay, or you need to have a public platform where you can upload the image and fetch the URL. So for a sample, what I have done, I have opened my personal OneDrive. So this is my personal OneDrive. Okay.
Mhm.
And in this personal OneDrive, let me upload the images. I've downloaded some images properly now. So I'm just uploading some images here. So I'm uploading these images now.
So these
Sachin, can you? Yeah.
images are from like the name are as per the
It could be
employee
any name.
ID.
It could be any name, but for my sake, I have maintained it as per the employee.
ठीक है, ठीक.
Okay. For my easy understanding, I
Sure,
have
sure, sure.
named it as.
Understood.
So let the images upload. It's my personal OneDrive where I am uploading the images. Now, what I will do, let's say this is the first image which I wanted to pick up, and I open the image. This is one-time activity which I have to do to find out the URL. Okay. So what I will do, I will just extract it in the embed format. Now there is a URL gets generated. This URL, I'm copying it into that Excel file. Okay, let me just upload it with a different URL. So I have uploaded this one. Now let's go for the another one. Uh, this is the second one which I'm looking for. Copy.
The embed option I'm not getting actually.
It's not available in OneDrive for Business. It is personal OneDrive which I'm using right now.
अच्छा. So for business, how we can get the URL?
For business, yeah, that you have to ask your IT team where they can provide you some space which is anonymously accessible. Like it's
Yeah.
like it should be a public URL,
Okay.
okay? Or it should be coming from a database management system. So if it is coming from a database management system, it will be accessible. Some option should be there to you. So I'll just go for this one another. Generate, copying the URL. Good. And let's go for the last one. 4 images I have actually picked up. So 4. Save the file. I have already created my Power BI report. So if I go to the Power BI report, what I have done, this is my slicer. Okay. Here it is. Using this slicer, I am putting up the filtration option. Like this is the filtration option which I'm looking for. Okay. And this particular visual is a table visual actually. It's a table visual. Okay. Now, how I got the data, I believe you know it. I have gone for this get data Excel workbook option and got my data. After getting this data, I have switched to the model view. Okay. Now, under have picked up the image URL, and under the advanced section, I have selected the data category as image URL. Okay. And under the reports, because I have updated the data, so I'm refreshing it now. You should upload with the new images now. So this is the way it is coming.
Okay.
Observe, the image needs to be in one of the file format. I believe file format is correct.
Hmm.
The URL must be anonymously accessible, not on a site that requires a sign-in. But अगर आप देखें, if I talk about OneDrive for business, it requires sign-in.
Okay.
So it will not work from SharePoint or OneDrive for school or work.
Mm-hmm.
It should be available into your personal OneDrive and embed URL you have to pick up. Or
Okay.
it should be a public place. Like there are some places, maybe a server location, which is accessible publicly. And that
Okay.
from that area you can pick up.
That I need to check with the IT then.
Yeah, you have to check with the IT team.
So
Okay.
this is the one thing which I got cleared.
The link of the article displayed during the video has been added in the description box. And in addition, there is another video link has been shared in the description box if you wanted to see an advanced demo on the same topic. Although that video is not from my channel, but it is an interesting video which you will definitely like. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.